Hey y'all, it's day 14 of self-isolation, and I've been practicing some makeup techniques, and I thought I'd show you guys that weren't around in the 80s how to do, well, not how to do it, but the obviously gorgeous results of 80s makeup. You make sure that when you put your blusher on, you suck your cheeks in like this, and then you go up like that. Make sure you've got good definition. Good definition, and don't lose your edges there. You've got to have a good line of demarcation. Always got to have your edges, and always make sure that your face makeup is 2 shades or more darker than your neck, because you don't want that. You want to make sure you've got a nice line right here that where you can tell the difference. Don't smooth it out at all. And of course you've got to have your scrunchies, because we like our bright colors. And I normally wore teal and purple, but I for some reason I can't find all of my good makeup. But I just wanted to show you the results. We've got 3 colors of eyeshadow, which is the norm today, but they do it horizontally. We did it vertically, and make sure that you've got a nice line of demarcation so everybody can tell you've got 3 different colors on. And under eye circles, you don't want that at all. So make sure you get the whitest under eye cream that you can. And make sure you have poppin' pink lips. And in no time at all, you can have this look too. Happy COVID-19, y'all. Bye-bye.